and year without the summer. In 1815, a volcano erupted with such fury, it stole summer from the entire world. Mount Tambora in Indonesia exploded in April 1815, the largest volcanic eruption in recorded history. The blast was heard over 2,000 kilometers away, louder than any cannon of its time. Ash and sulfur shot 40 kilometers high, blocking the sun and wrapping the earth in a volcanic veil. The result? 1,816 became known as the year without a summer. In New England, frost fell in July. In Europe, crops failed. Millions faced famine. Sky, after the eruption, turned blood red. Painters captured sunsets that looked almost apocalyptic. Even culture was shaped in a cold, gloomy summer by Lake Geneva. Mary Shelley imagined Frankenstein. One volcano changed weather, art, and history, all because the earth went dark for a summer. And this is why 1816 is remembered as the year summer never came. Echoes of time, where history's strangest moments never fade. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.